What would you say that the APC stands for in Anambra State in terms of the deliverables? Because they will be asking those questions. What has your party done for us? What should we be expecting? But first and foremost, people want to see what have you given us first and foremost, and what would you be telling them that the APC is offering or has offered to the people of Anambra State and the Southeast?
You know, having total knowledge of the commitment of federal government in Anambra State, but I know of, for sure, of a number of federal roads that are ongoing in Anambra State. I know of almost the biggest project, of Mr. President in the entire country, the second Niger Bridge. Before now, it was a political statement by previous administration. Only Mr. President has made it to be a reality and is committed to completing it, before its exit date. I'm so excited about that project because it's going to open up Southeast, quite a lot. I also know of the dredging of, the port there, and so many other, incentives, including all the appointments, that Mr. President has given to the people of Anambra State. And coming back to use Ebonyi State to set an example of what, Southeast is bound to benefit. You recall that even when I was in PDP, I refused to castigate Mr. President because I say it's not the culture of my family, it's not the culture of, an Igbo man. You don't castigate, your leader. You pray for your leader. And I've been quite close to Mr. President, even when I was in the other party. And by that reason, Mr. President has, favored, Southeast tremendously. Even though Mr. President is a man of equity, because whatever he did for me as governor of the state, before and now, he has also done for every other governor. But specifically, there is no agenda we have taken to Mr. President on behalf of South that has not listened to us. So I'll be telling them that it come closer to Mr. President and see that he's a man of fairness, he's a man of honesty, and if he makes a promise to you, he will keep it. And I can say that under Mr. President, Ebonyi State is one of the fastest growing states. And I have a lot to tell about the assistance of Mr. President, not only to Ebonyi State, but the entire, other states of the Federation. And I'm very proud to belong to APC, very proud to be playing at the center. And I can tell you that Ebonyi has developed under APC government.
If a Southeasterner or an Igbo man does not emerge as a candidate of the APC for 2023, what would you do?
Shane, if it were you, if it were me, what will you do?
Because I'm not a politician, I may not be able to answer. And because I'm the one asking the question, you are our guest on the program. And the reason why I'm asking this is because you left the PDP because you think they could not cater for the yearnings of the Igbo man in the PDP concerning 2023. And that's why I wanted to know what would be your reaction, or what would you do if a candidate other than a Southeasterner emerges for the APC in 2023?
The heartbeat of the people of Southeast is that they should be given a chance, whether in PDP or APC, for the presidency of this country, for reason of equity, fairness, and justice. I took that position in PDP. And one of the reasons I took that position is because the Southeast, people have supported PDP, all the way. And they have never been given any opportunity to do that. If I follow APC for this length of time, and they don't give Southeast, an opportunity, I will feel bad. I will feel bad. But what I will do, if I stay this length of time like I stayed in PDP and that happens, I wouldn't be able to tell you. It depends on what God states me in my mind. But I think strongly that the future of this country is in the hand of God. And what pleases God, he will do. Remember when I joined APC, I did not join APC because I needed to insist that Southeast must be the next president. I never did. I joined APC with all my heart and in support of Mr. President, and in appreciation of all his support, even when I was in the other party, and also to prove that the Igbo man believes so much in one Nigeria. That is the reason why I joined APC, apart from my protest of the injustice meted to Southeast in PDP.